What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would be starting your Chevy Malibu. Probably about the same from about the 2019 to the 2023. Just in case for some reason your key fob was to go, battery was to go dead. All you'll have to do pretty much is come into your vehicle. You want to take your key fob itself. Go ahead and put your foot on the brake like you would normally start it. And take your key fob and you want to press it up against the push start button. Just like that pretty much. And it'll start your vehicle. So once again, all you have to do pretty much is just come into your vehicle, take your key fob. I'm gonna turn it back off and show you again. You want to take the part right here that has like your lock and unlock on it, press it up against your push start, and then it'll start your vehicle. Just press it in, like start it with the key, and pretty much it'll start your vehicle up just like that. All right, folks, once again, this is how you will be starting a Chevy Malibu from about the 2019 to about the 2023. If for some reason your key fob was to go bad, your battery was to go dead on it, and it wouldn't start normally. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.